magnetic effect of electric current. This chapter, first part, it was the Oersted experiment. That means when the current passing through the conductor creates a magnetic field lines, properties of the magnetic field lines, okay, and the direction of the magnetic field lines. According to the direction of the magnetic field lines, you know it for the straight conductor and the circular loop. And next part is the Fleming left hand rule, because the magnetic field, value of the magnetic field is not in your syllabus by Savard law. Okay. So, when the current passing through the conductor, and if the conductor is placed in a uniform magnetic field, conductor creates some force. That force, the direction of the force depends on the Fleming left hand rule. You know it. And with the help of the Fleming left hand rule or the application of the Fleming left hand rule, you know the Balliol wheel, electric motor, so many applications are there. Okay. And next part of this chapter is the electromagnetic induction. So, electromagnetic induction, it is just the opposite nature of the Oersted experiment. Opposite nature of the Oersted experiment. So, my dear student, you know the Oersted experiment and also know the electromagnetic induction by the Faraday law and the Lenz's correction. So, my dear student, you know it from a story or an incident in your locality. Suppose you know it, just some persons are gathering there, or you see in the daily routine they are roaming, they are working, they are meeting. So, you know it, out of the 4, out of the 5, out of the 6 persons, one person is very, very notorious. So, you also conclude with that group, it may be a notorious group, because those are always try to gather in the same times. That discussion will be the same nature. So, we know it from the English term, the birds of same feather flock together. Okay. So, those are the incident, those are the so many examples in your daily life. So, that is the electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction means a current passing through the conductor, a certain amount of current will be induced surrounding if you put a coil on it. That means the effect by the source, by the cause, and this is the induced, and that is the source of the mother. Okay. So, famous scientist, the name of the scientist is the ওকে ডাকুন, ওকে ডাকুন, রয়েছে। So, my dear student, by the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, if you consider just a coil, not the solenoid, not the electromagnet. So, you know it, what is the basic difference between the coil, electromagnet and the and the solenoid. Just like a spring insulated copper wire, that is the coil. When you connect it, two ends of the coil, it behaves like a solenoid. Means it will be a solenoid. When you solenoid also behaves like a bar magnet. If you put it a soft iron core inside it, inside the coil, means inside the solenoid, that will be a electromagnet. Okay. So my dear student, in this chapter, suppose you consider bar magnet. A bar magnet is just put it first nearer to the coil, one end of the coil, and if you move it through the coil, that means the relative velocities are there. What will be the relative velocity? What is the meaning of the relative velocities? Suppose you consider the coil is at rest, the magnet is moving inside it, or magnet is fixed at rest, the coil is moving on it, or both are moving, both are in motion, but their velocities are different. That time you see the two ends of the coil, if you put a galvanometer, you see it, the galvanometer will be deflect. Okay, and that indicates the current will be created in the coil. That current is called the induced current. That current is called the induced current. So my dear student, the term is very, very important. Induced. One story, one incident, you know it. Suppose you are a group of students there, and if the nature of the 2 or 3 students are very notorious, they are disturbing in the class, they are disturbing in the girls, so many terms are there. So if you are in that group, teachers also suspect you, you will be tried to motivated from the groups. So you are the induced person by the source. Am I clear? You are clear it? What is the meaning of induced? Subhajyoti. You are clear it? What is the meaning of induced? What is the meaning of induced current? Okay. So, no sir. Very good. What you are typing? You check it. Ishanur Rahman. I also try to again one story. You check it. Can large amount of electric current can be produced by the process? Yes. That also you know it, the transformer. Step up and step down transformer. The 11,000 volt change into the 220 volt, 440 volt. Say Kisanur, you check it. Suppose 4 students are here and 4 students are very notorious in the class, in the surrounding, in the fields, notorious. Suppose not your class, maybe the junior class, maybe the your class, one student also join your group. Okay, join your group. What happened? What is the meaning of it? If the boy adjusts with that group, that means the nature of the boy will be same nature of this, or he or she is motivated by that group, and that students also be try to in same nature, but those are not in same contact, those are separate. You see here this. So that person is the induced, means that is the effect of that source. This is the induced. Okay, this is the induced term. So my dear student, you know it. Maybe is it clear? Yes or no? Suppose for boy and the fifth number boy join with you, and yes, now clear. Okay, thank you. So this boy if with you and constantly you see this boy also join with that group, that means the nature of the boy will be this, or this boy totally motivated from that group. This is the induced by the source, means this is the effect by the source. Am I clear? So Subhajit, you know it, the step up and step down transformer, so many terms are there. So from the powerhouse you see the step up transformer, the current will passes through the conductor and the voltage will be 11,000 voltage, and you see in the domestic area one transformer is there. The 11,000 voltage convert into the 220 or 440 voltage. That voltage convert with the help of the transformer. Transformer also the mechanism of the induced current, electromagnetic induction. Okay, so it can be possible. Okay, yes, thank you. So my dear student, you check here the Faraday law. First law is this, and second law in new term the magnetic flux. When the syllabus will cover, that time I will try to clear the extra part. So magnetic flux means when the magnet passing through the coil, magnetic lines of force cut off the coil. Okay, the number of magnetic lines of force cut through the coil, and that creates the magnetic, that creates the current. That current is the induced current. So you see here current created in it, and from your previous class you know it. If the current passing through the conductor, okay, through the conductor, this point A and that point is B, so this point potential and that point potential are different. Okay, you know it, the potential at the point of A is more than the potential at the point B. Okay, so my dear student, if here creates some electric current, that time it must be create some potential difference, and when the potential difference and the EMF will be the same. Now when the internal resistance of the cell will be 0, that time the EMF and the potential difference will be the same. So here create some potential difference, that is the induced EMF is created on it by the current, means the induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux. Rate of change of magnetic flux. Rate of change of magnetic flux. This is the law by the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. But one question is here, you know it. When the current passing through the coil means circular loop, according to the direction of the current, the circular loop will be create some poles, magnetic poles, the north pole and the south pole. If the direction of the current is anti-clockwise, that time it will be the north pole. It will be the north pole. So, my dear student, you listen here. If the north pole is just nearer to the coil, it creates some induced current. The induced direction of the induced current will be anti-clockwise, because from that concept you know it will be the anti-clockwise. If it will be the anti-clockwise, so you see here, this end of this coil create a north pole. So effect, this is the effect of that cause. Effect oppose the cause. They are very interesting word. Very interesting word. In the Mughal times, you know it. Every sons oppose his or her fathers. Okay, and put it in the prison also. My dear student, from your history class you know it. So, cause means this is the effect. This is the son and that is the father. So, son also oppose the Soham Ghosh. I am waiting for you. So, son also oppose the father, means effect oppose the cause. Am I clear? So, my dear student, this law correction by a scientist, the name of the scientist is the Lenz. The name of the scientist is Lenz. What is the correction of this? You only see this correction by the Lenz, E versus minus d phi by dt. E versus minus d phi by dt means one minus term used by the formula from the famous scientist Lenz. So, Lenz correction the Faraday law only use the direction. So, when the N pole passing through the coil just nearer to the coil, when the N pole is coming, the coil creates some the north anti-clockwise direction induced current. Due to the induced current in anti-clockwise, the coil also create the north pole. So, the north pole oppose the north pole of the bar magnet. That means the effect oppose the cause. Effect oppose the cause. This is the Chaitanya Ghosh. You also try to question and you go left. What is your question? So, this is the Chaitanya, what is your question? You are typing there, here you are left. What is your question? So, this is the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. This part is not explanation, this part is not a very derivation in your syllabus. Only you know it, the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction and the Lenz correction and Also you know it, the Fleming right hand rule. Fleming right hand rule. Fleming left hand rule, you know it from your previous class, previous in this class, previous days. And what will be the problem for Chaitanya? And the right hand rule, that means the just opposite in the two fingers. This is the common, the two fingers are in reverse. From the left hand rule, current creates some force. Current creates some force. This is the principle of motor, means motor rules. Here, the force creates some current. Force creates some induced current. That is the generator. So, right hand rules means generator and left hand rules means the motor. Spelling left, motor left. Spelling right, generator right. Okay. So, big for big, small for small. You remember in this method, the left hand for the motor rule or right hand for the generator. Will there be any change of electromagnetic induction if the number of turns? Yes. Why not? You know it. The the transformer, the number of turns will be more than the induced current will be more. From the powerhouse, supply the current with the help of the step up transformer. Step up transformer, the voltage will be more, a very large amount of voltage. And when you see in the domestic area, the step down transformer. Step down transformer means output is 220 or 440 voltage. So, this is the step down and that is the step up. So, number of turns will be less and more, it will control the output voltage, output current will be less or more. So, my dear student, you know it, you see so many transformers are there. Okay. Suppose you know it, if the current passing through the coil, okay, if you put it a coil just nearer to that coil, not to touch each other, a current will create on that coil. That current is called the induced current. If you see a galvanometer deflection in this coil is this, means right hand. In that coil, the deflection of the galvanometer will be left. Am I clear? So, the nature will be opposite. Okay. So, the formula, correction formula will be E equal to minus n into d phi by dt. So, my dear student, Chaitanya, you know it. This is the n equal to number of turns. Okay. If the number of turns is more, the induced current will be, induced EMF will be more. Am I clear? Clear, Chaitanya? Clear? So, n is the major factor. N is the major factor. Okay. So the Fleming left hand and right hand rule, this is the current, that is the create some force. This is the force creates some induced current. The term is not the current, that is the induced current. Am I clear? Induced current. Or current creates some force for the left hand rule. This is the motor rule and it is the generator rule. Force creates some induced current. Force creates some induced current. Okay. Generator. So, electric generator not in your syllabus. Syllabus is in my hand. So, electric generator and the household electric circuit is not in your syllabus in this year. Okay. So, my dear student, only you check it for your syllabus Again, I try to discuss with you magnetic effect, magnetic field, field lines, field due to the current carrying conductor, field due to the current carrying coil or the solenoid, force on current carrying conductor. That means the Balmer wheel. Fleming left hand rule, electric motor. In this chapter, electromagnetic induction, induced EMF, induced current, and Fleming right hand rule. So, electric generator and house of electric circuit not in this part. Okay. So, my dear student, you try to any question from your side? Next day I will try to discuss with you the electric generator and the house of electric circuit. You know it, why those are important. Okay. Okay. Okay, my dear student. Next day see you again. Any question from your side? Next I will try to discuss with you. Sir, can I ask you a question from? Will there be any change in the electron? Yes, sir. So, what is the question? Can you ask the question? What is the question? My dear student, what is your question? You say it, why you are erase it? Subhajyate Vishwas. Any question from your side? Sheikh Isanur Rahman Anuchetana, you try to write your question. So that in parallel combination, resultant resistance is smaller than the greatest resistance used in this combination. Why not? You know it. 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and so on. Okay. If you consider R1 in parallel combination, the resultant resistance is smaller than the greatest na. That the lowest resistance used in the combination, lowest resistance, it will be lowest resistance. The value of R1 is R is less than the R1. Okay. So, if R1 is less, R2 than R2 than R3. So, R1 is less, but you know it from this relation it must be greater than R1. So, R1 is greater than R2. Okay, the question is this, so that the parallel combination resultant resistance is smaller than the greatest resistance, than the lowest resistance used in this combination. Greatest so smaller it will be possible. Suppose you consider it 2 and 4, two resistors are in your hand. What will be the equivalent resistance when those are connected in parallel? What will be the answer? 1 by R equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. What will be? 4 LCM, 2 plus 1. R equal to 4 by 3. That is equal to 1.33. Okay. It must be less than 2. So, my dear student, the words will be not the greatest, it will be the lowest resistance used in this combination. Sheikh Isanur, my dear student, you correction your question. so that in parallel combination resultant resistance is smaller than the greatest. No, it will be the lowest resistance or the least resistance used in this combination. Okay, so you correction your question. This word is not. Any question? Any question? You correction your question is or beta. Time is over, so you try to write your question. You try to write your question. So thank you, my dear student. See you again next day. You just wait 1 minute, ma'am. Is he here?
Yes, a very good afternoon to the children of class 10 Oak. This is Nasrin ma'am. Nasrin miss, yes. Listen children, as I have already completed your syllabus and I have started making the children write question and answers from the first chapter, clear? So it is not possible for me to repeat the same questions again in the same class. So as it is a recorded live, so you people can copy down the get the questions from there itself also, so that we can move in a correct pace and we can complete the syllabus at a correct time. Did you get my point, all of you? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much, dear, all of you.